Hi, so today I want to present my innovations, that is my Filtro Aqua. So this project presents the banana trunk fiber as the main filtering layer in the wastewater filter system. So banana trunk fiber is chosen as the main filtering layer because it has the capability to absorb 70% to 80% of oil content in the waste product. So that's why we think that this kind of innovation has a very significant impact in reducing the clogging and workload of the water treatment. Our early study, so we found that in the New Delhi, they already use the banana trunk fiber, but they only use it for removing oil spill on the ocean. So that we think that there is no innovation that use this kind of application of the banana fiber itself. So the current problem is because of there is no any substance used to treat the water pollution caused by the oil and fat. So the problem caused the water pollution, and it's also clogged drain and pipe, and also currently the filter available in the market, it will cost you a very expensive price. That's why we do this kind of innovation. And if you can see in the picture, you can see that a lot of problems happen in our daily life caused by the clogging of the oil. And we got this idea from the application of our ancestor when they want to wash the dishes. Actually, before the invention of the soap, our ancestor, they used the banana trunk fiber to remove oil from the dish because they think that this banana trunk fiber can remove the oil while water cannot, because the water is the polar molecule and the oil is an organic molecule, so that it cannot remove it because of the chemical characteristic of the oil itself. Our main objective is to overcome the water pollution clogged by drain and pipe, and also to make an affordable filter friendly to the green, and also reducing the workload for water treatment, and also to recycle and apply the green concept. And we actually want to develop a very low cost of filter. So why we choose banana trunk fiber as our main filtering layer in a filter system? Because the banana trunk fiber is easily available in Malaysia. We have a lot of banana tree being planted. We can get this banana trunk fiber for free because sometimes they just throw it without any use. And then we want to promote the recycle and green concept. And also the banana trunk fiber is easily to be processed in our innovation.
Okay, now I will start with the project implementation. For the first step, that is to prove that our filter, our layer, our material that we use in our filter can absorb the oil and grease from the sample of water that we take from the cafe. And you can see in the slide, we have put red aggregate, sand, and also banana trunk in a casing that we have recycled this casing, and we filter the water that we take from the cafe, and you can see the water after filtered. For the second step, we have used 4 different types of banana trunk, that is wet cube, dry cube, wet fiber, and dry fiber, to prove which types can absorb more oil and grease from the water that we filtered. From the picture also, you can see 4 types of banana trunk that we use inside the filter. From the graph, you can see that sample 1 is contain more oil. This is the wastewater that we take from the cafe. Sample 2 absorb more oil and grease, that is banana trunk in wet fiber types. And the sample 3 is banana trunk in a wet cube types. Sample 4 is dry cube banana trunk, and sample 5 is wet cube banana trunk. Send this sample of water after filtered to K Bio Corporation, that is an institution that do the analysis for us, water test quality for us. Okay, for the next step, we have improved our design for the casing, and then we try this design in 2 restaurants for 6 months to see the installation, the effectiveness of this filter. We have collect 6 months of sample of water and send it for testing. From the result, we can say that this result of water quality that for 6 months has achieved WHO standard for water quality. So you can see the result from the lab test that we have done for 6 months. We also do the extra test for pH sample and also total suspended solid and other tests for mercury, lead, that's mean for heavy metal. So now I will show you the application for the last design for our filter. We have fixed it at a house that have already caused a very serious pipe clog problem. Okay, you can see the water before and after the filter. So this is the cost to produce my Filtro Aqua, only RM 321 and we sell at 500 RM. After 8 months of installation, we get few feedback from our customer that say our filter is very good and they have solved their problems in water pollution and also the clog pipe, but they have problem in monitoring when they should do the maintenance. So we decide to add on pH meter as you see in the diagram to make our customer easier to know or to recognize when they can make the maintenance for the filter. Why we choose pH meter? Because if we use oil detector, it costs higher than pH meter. Other than that, from lab test, quality of water, when the absorption of the water is higher, the pH become lower. That means more acidic. So from this, we can know if the pH is higher, that means the absorption of the oil for the fiber is lower. So you know that is the time that you have to make the maintenance or change the layer of the fiber. Other than that, we also make one more improvement by adding a special casing to put the banana fiber layer so that the customer can service it or change the layer by themselves and can clean the casing easier. Finally, I can say that our filter is very good in recycling the waste material, and then we can overcome the drain or pipe clogging problem, reduce the water and also air pollutions, and also from our filter, we also help to reduce the workload in wastewater treatment plant. Okay, lastly, I will show you a demonstration of how our filter filtered the grey water that we take from the kitchen, and you can see the effectiveness of the filter in filtering the grey water from the kitchen. And thank you.